So we've heard a rumor that you can catch trout at Kalahari in the Pocono Mountains. So we found out the rumor is true. Kev's got his first brook trout right here. Look at that beauty.
Look how long it is.
There he is, guys. Look at that beauty. So there you go. Go to Kalahari.
And catch trout.
So you're going to want to come around the side, I think it's called the South Wing, to where the convention center is. And that's where we parked, right here. And off the side of this ravine, you'll see some water drainage ditches. And we're going to go down right into that valley. As you work your way down there, you'll find like deer trails. And there is a trail that goes along, but it's a long way around if you want to take the actual hiking trail. But we're just going to cut right through here. Coming down the hill, you're going to come to this big bridge, and the waterfall is actually on the map, so just look at Google Earth, and downstream, which is this way, you'll come to the waterfall. Caught our first brookie of the day.
Very small.
Now this is probably our smallest one we've caught yet. We've caught 6 or 7 of them, maybe even more. If you do come to fish here, remember, tiny hooks. Make sure you don't have barbs on the hooks. We're doing catch and release here. They're very sensitive fish. That's why we have the bucket. We catch them, we put them in there, and then we release them. We keep them in the water. They're not out of the water for any more than 10 seconds. You wet your hands when you touch them. You don't squeeze them, especially around the gut area. Make sure you have a set of something to unhook the fish with. Preferably something with a tiny end like that that'll fit in their mouths. And respect these fish. Don't ruin it.
Let's go head up.
Yep, but we're fishing right now. See how clear it is out there. I'm gonna jinx Kev. He never fishes well when he's on camera. And just let that fall natural to the bottom. And here comes a trout. There's
at least 10.
Brook trout are very cautious from attacks from birds and things, so they're real skittish. You have to kind of sneak up on them. And that's why a lot of people don't even try fishing for them, because they'll look at a stream like this and they see actually no sign of fish at all. You have to know the territory that they like and just believe that they're there, and you'll find them. Just throw a fake worm or something like that and jiggle it past like a cut bank, and a lot of times you'll see them just a dark shape fire out. Okay. That's good. Good work, yeah, actually. Oh, beauty. Okay. Right under the log.
Really good. Really good. There he is. Dip over there in that little water.
Open your hand a little bit. Beautiful. All right.
Beauty.
You can let him hear. Yeah.
Oh my God, he's just like right there.
Our cat's got a nice little brookie right here.
That shows you that that little brookie, there could be 10 of them.
Caught it in this little pocket. We're going to put it right back in that pocket. Hey, buddy.
Very gentle.
He's going to take off like a bolt of lightning. Yeah, like a bloody. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Is that another?
It kind of looks like a tiger at the top of it. Yeah, me too. I think they got some tiger in it. Got a little tiger in it. He could just drop her in. As Nick Stumpo would say, we're in amongst them now, boys. We're in amongst them.
You're gonna let